All right, guys, so GoHighLevel has just released a brand new feature that lets you sell AI-powered Facebook review systems to local businesses. This just came out a few days ago. Sean Clark posted in the HighLevel community. Guys, this is an entirely new monthly recurring service that nobody's offering yet because it literally just came out. Up until now, the only fully automated review system was for Google reviews, and those are for your client's Google business profile. But that only works for customers that find them through Google Maps. For example, if someone searched plumber or electrician near me. But a huge portion of small businesses run Facebook ads. And those clicks take customers to their Facebook business page or the ad landing page, not their Google business profile. That means those people never see your client's Google reviews unless they go looking for them, and that's not generally what happens when they click on Facebook ads. So let's see exactly what this looks like in the Facebook ads library and how you can use this as a new foot in the door offer to help your existing clients and new customers that are already spending money on Facebook ads get even more customers and how you can upsell them on even more services. Guys, real quick, I'm making these videos to try and get the difficulty bar as low as possible for you. Obviously, I can't cram everything into one video. I put it all in my free school community. We've got over 1,000 members inside. We've got daily coaching calls. You get a live one-on-one kickoff call, multiple daily live coaching sessions on all different topics of the platform, everything you need to get your first paying clients in 30 days. Plus, there's a link down below for HL-ProTools. They are the gold standard in agency support. They'll support all of your clients under your company name so you can stay focused on growing your business and not get bogged down with all the tech and client support. So reach out to Matt over there. And as always, if you get value out of this video, just like and subscribe. Let's dive in. All right, so the ads manager here. Now, I just did a quick search for plumbing in Texas. You're going to see all these businesses that are running Facebook ads. If you notice, the company name is right here at the top and the ad is here. I've spent tens of thousands of dollars in Facebook ads for my own agency. I've run ads for clients' agencies. I can tell you a very large amount of people that click on the ads also go and click on the business because they want to see what the business is all about. They just clicked on their ad. So just like when a customer clicks on a business in Google Maps to see what they're all about, when they get to the Facebook business profile, right here, Baker Brothers Plumbing, they've got 3,380 reviews. And that shows up right there on the homepage here at the very top. These guys over here, Millstone, they have 4,102 reviews, right? So these guys know the value of the system. They also understand that they have to post regularly. Literally just 3 hours ago, they posted on their page because they are driving traffic from their Facebook ads to their Facebook business page to get new customers. But these guys are not the norm and they were hard to find. Most of them kind of look like this. Young's Family Plumbing, 11 reviews. Radiant, 5 reviews. This is not good. Or Boost, they're not even showing their reviews, right? Even if these companies are spending the same amount of money per day on ads, the company with more reviews is going to get more customers. That's just how it works. So with that said, how do we set this up? Here's the good news. HighLevel has integrated this into the same part of the platform they have for the Google review reputation management. It's literally a new integration right here. You click connect. Now I have this connected to my account because I already went through this. But all the client has to do is literally log into their Facebook account and then right in the top under the same setting where you have your ReviewsAI, where you can turn on your AI agent to reply automatically. You now have in here, wait for it, lo and behold, all Google pages, all Facebook pages. So now you can literally create a new agent just like you would on the Google side of things. The pre-canned prompts are in here. You can choose how many stars you want the agent to reply to. You can have all the automation set up if it's a low review to give that person an option to contact the business owner and get things resolved. You can have the AI agent reply to different types of reviews based on the context of the review. Everything else is set up in here the same. You now have this option in the reviews link. So you'll have not only the Google review link, the Facebook link. You can even turn on review balancing, which lets you configure what percentage of reviews you want to go to each platform. Choose your platform here, or you can just have it auto balance. You can still configure everything to go out via SMS with your new templates. Right here, these review requests can go out via phone. You can include the company logo in there. We cover all this in the school community, how to set this up. I've got other videos on my channel too, going step by step, setting up reputation management. But literally everything else on the platform, email requests going out, spam review detection, you can turn that on automatic. You can have the QR codes that are generated for the customers to check out if it's a point of sale type setup. And guys, this opens up a whole new door for upsells for a business that maybe they don't have Google Business Profile Optimization because they're paying for most of their customers to come in on the Facebook side. If they're not ranking or they had an agency that didn't do a good job on their SEO or whatnot before, you can literally connect their Google Business Profile right to their HighLevel account and you can go through, it'll automatically audit the system, give them a score, and you can update any area with missing information. If they don't have a lot of posts going out to their Google Business Profile or their business Facebook page, you can upsell them on the content scheduler and schedule posts for them. Come right in here, click on settings, and you can literally connect to every single one of their social accounts. They could send you a couple images or a couple videos a month. You can upload them into the planner. There's AI built in to develop any of the copy or offers that they want. So I hope you can see how just coming in with a new foot in the door offer that maybe they haven't heard of yet, like automatic AI Facebook reviews, especially if they're spending money on Facebook ads already, will let you have the opportunity to have those conversations to continue to upsell value-added services bringing them more customers and revenue every single month, and in turn, paying you more money every single month. So now with all that said, how do we actually get clients? If you want to learn how to get clients without any cold calls or any paid ads, watch this video right here. Or if you want to learn more how to set up the social planner, watch this video right here, and I'll see you on the inside.